everyone. Welcome back to Nail of the Week. Excited to be back in sharing another nail design with you. This design here was simple, but it's classy and also a little bit sporty. This is perfect for a wedding all the way down to somebody who plays sports. I've done a classic black and white French look, and to give it just that right pizzazz, I added in a little bit of crystals, just one crystal on each nail. But I love this. Can't get any more classy than a French look. Love the look. I love white tips. I love all French looks, like colors, but especially the white French. It's just so clean and can go with anything. I love it. Hope you guys will enjoy this one, and there'll be a toe design to match as well, and always an outfit. Let's get started on today's design. Everybody take care and God bless. Hi everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design. A beautiful, simple black and white and some crystals. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Nail of the Week. Super excited to be back in doing another design for you guys. And as you see, I've got a brand new set on. I went back to my square. I've always been a girl that loves square nails. I always have and I always will. So I went back to square and just a tad shorter than normal because this is going to be more of a sporty look that I'm doing. And of course, I want this set to last a while, and so they will grow out anyways. But of course, this is not short. It's just shorter than what I normally do. And then also, I did go with a curved nail. I really like it. It's probably hard to tell on here, but I do like more of a curve. It looks more natural. And also, I like the super curve, like the hawk curve. And I ordered those tips. I'm just waiting for them to come. I really love a curved nail. This one here is more of a natural soft curve. The other one's going to be an ultra curve. I'm excited to do those. But anyways, I am doing more of a sporty look here, and let me show you what I'm using in today's design. So for starters, I'm using this Essie's. Let's see if I can get this on there. The Essie's polish, which is a sheer pink, very pretty, and it's called High Maintenance. I'll list it down in the box, 100. And then I just got this white today, the Insta Dry. And it's called White on Time, 113. Never tried the white here, but I love the Insta Dry, and the polishes are very opaque, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this one. And it dries quicker. And then I'm only gonna use one acrylic paint. This is the black by Apple Barrel, 50 cents at Walmart, great price for it. And then I also will be working with Robin Moses's brush. It's called the Wand. This is the liner. RobinMosesNailArt.com is how you order them. And there's the tip. This is the liner. The unicorn is the striper. And I do leave my brushes dirty in between because it helps them to last longer, Robin said. Also, you see it's got more of a C curve to them. I love that. Absolutely love the C curve and the curve in general. I think it just looks more natural. So I'm going to get started on the French part and start some of the French white, and I will return to show you what I'm doing. All right, so you see I've got the sheer pink and the white tips. And this white is really amazing. That's only one coat. I love it. I will do a second coat because I see just a few open spots. Probably could have got it done in one coat had I worked a little bit better with the first coat. That would have worked, but I'm going to do a second coat. But let me show you how I do freehand for the white. You can use stickers and everything or tape if you don't feel sure about yourself to do it. But here's what I do, and I've showed you this before, but I have new people all the time. So I'm just gonna set the brush down, and I'm gonna follow the natural line of this nail. And when you set the brush down, pull forward. Set it down and give it a little push and pull forward. Same thing to this side. As you're going down, use the brush as your, your marker. Use the brush like that. And then you wanna just give it like a little push and pull back on it. That's what you're doing so that it will get in there and give that nice natural line. This doesn't have to be perfect because I am putting black paint in here. So I didn't have to be perfect, but I'm showing you if you weren't going to put anything in, you can actually do this yourself and have it perfect. Cap the end. Always cap your ends because they last longer and make your design just beautiful. So that's what I've got there. I'm going to finish up, do another coat. Then I'm going to cover it with Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat and get ready for the art. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So now you see I'm doing a black and white design. Cannot go wrong with that. Can be super classy, can also be super sporty. I like the look that I went with. Just did some lines and some dots, and I'll show you how I'm doing that. So I'm just gonna grab the brush and get a tiny bit of paint on it. And I'll show you. just a tiny little bit there. And I'm just gonna go up to the finger. I'm gonna go on this side of it, and I'm gonna set it down, the brush. And that's where I didn't have to have a perfect line because I was bordering it. So I'm just gonna set the brush down and just kind of go like this and pull out like that, very gentle, and give it a little sharp pull at the end. And then I'm gonna continue on with this line here, go this way and bring it out like that. And then I'm just gonna go on this side and close it off like that. And then I'm gonna do a couple little dots. And I'm gonna do the dots on this side this time. So as I go along, I get a little bit of a lighter touch so the dots get smaller. And I just think that, you know, it's such a classy, but can be so simple at the same time, you know? I just think this is so pretty. So, I don't know, elegant, but can be really sporty too. That's what I love about it. And there's the thumbs. I am gonna add in a few crystals. So let me add those in and I'll return to show you. Okay, now you see I've got that little AB crystal in there. I did leave one finger open to show you guys this, but I wanted to go for more of a sporty look with a little bit of bling. So let me show you. Very simple step here. I'm just taking a little tool, dipping into a little bit of glue here on the end, and I'm just gonna put a little dot right there of glue. I might need a little bit more. Just dot a little glue there. Why am I not picking up very much? I think the glue is starting to dry out. Okay, just get that little dot in there, wipe that off, make sure you wipe the end of that tool off. And then I'm gonna use my crystal katana and get a stone here. And gonna put it right there and give it a little push. I love this tool. Works so great to pick up stones. Kind of spendy, it's $25, or I've seen it right around 25, might be a little cheaper online, but it's cool. It's got the crystal right in there too, and it's called the crystal katana. There's the end of it, and there's that to kind of move things around. I love it. So I am now done. I am going to top coat. I do have a little bit of cleanup work. I got a little bit of the black on my finger there. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup work, top coat everything with the Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat to make everything nice and shiny and to hold those stones down. And then I will return to show you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done. And you just absolutely cannot go wrong with a black and white design. I love a French look. It can be elegant and classy all the way, you know, down to just a simple, sporty look. And with those crystals in it, gave it just the right beauty. I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys do too. I hope you will definitely give this one a try. And I look forward to seeing all of you in my very next video. God bless and take care.